So in today's world of stretched resources and not enough to go around, little time is spent on upgrading lighting. So consequently, choosing the wrong LED solution can result in long-term headaches. Problems like installation issues, poor illumination such as dark spots, hot spots, glare, or premature maintenance problems can come about by choosing the wrong solution, and we can help you by providing a few simple tips and tricks on how to pick the right one. So one of our recommendations would be to assess the current lighting installation as it is. Are fixtures difficult to access? Is access prohibited? Will you need a scaffold? Will you need a scissor lift? Can mounting hoods be removed? Oftentimes mounting hoods cannot be removed. So many instances, fixtures can be provided that mount directly to those existing mounting hoods, which eliminates the need to replace conduit or pull new wires. In other cases, we can offer features that minimize your installation and your labor costs. Secondly, I would always request a lighting study. We can provide those services. Look for a lighting solution that provides maximum uniformity, that minimizes glare, and provides good vertical illumination while meeting your lighting objectives. A lot of times, specialized optics can be used, prismatic refractors, diffusers, that can really go a long way. That, along with special color temperature use, we can use color temperatures to really stretch your investment dollars and give you the best result possible. With no definitive standards around LED fixture level reliability, you might find yourself in a buyer beware situation. The only accepted standard around LED luminaires is LED L70, and LED L70 only addresses lumen maintenance or lumen depreciation over time. It doesn't address driver reliability, and LED drivers are the #1 cause of LED fixture failures. L70 also doesn't address the issue of overall fixture lifetime. Look for a manufacturer that publishes predictive life curves and addresses the issue of reliability with a robust reliability testing program. My final tip would be always hang a sample. Reputable manufacturers will have a sampling program and take advantage of it. Because of the way that our eyes perceive LED lighting, oftentimes as brighter than their HID counterparts, it's very difficult to determine what you're gonna like the best. If you have any questions about choosing the right LED, or we can provide you any help at all, please feel free to post in the Emerson Exchange 365 community. We'd love to help you with your lighting needs.